Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can like a profile on eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To like a profile on eHarmony, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eHarmony.com and make a search. The official page of eHarmony's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in, and the home page of eHarmony will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Discover. Now, to like a profile on eHarmony, click on any profile that you like, and on the next page, tap on little heart icon. This is how you can like a profile on eHarmony's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.